Hello everybody, how are you? I hope you are good. I have my order from Donna Dreams ×3. Right? Yeah. I like his wrapping. She always packages so nicely. I know she sent me an entry to my challenge as well, so that's probably in here somewhere. So there it is. I'll put that to the side. So let's check it out, guys. Wow. Look at this. This is cool. I wonder if I could glue it. We're going to test that theory out. Put this aside. Like there. Just a cute little card. Little butterfly. Aw, thank you so much. Thought you might like the blue wrapping from Walmart. It's cool. Awesome. Thanks, Anna. Look at her card. Isn't that cute? All right. So, I'm going to look at these guys. I'm going to save those and show those in a video. But I picked up some more of the seam binding. Oh, wow. Okay. I can't remember what I picked up, but I picked up some. So, got this little package of that one. And the red, white, and blue. I love red, white, and blue patriotic colors, by the way. I don't know if you guys know that. My whole yard's like decorated those things. It's a fall. Cool. Then, sent me a bag full of bags. A bag full of bags. It's funny. Oh, I know, poor Lucy. Oh, Lucy Lou. Lucy. My cat is wearing a cone. So she went to the vet. Got that done on Saturday. So we got some little princess bags. This princess. And Valentine's. And little Easter bags. And balloon bags. And princess bags. And that one. Do you know what's hard to find? Is boys. And little boys. And balloons. Some are cool. I made some of these for the kids' birthday party coming up in June. So Diamond and I were discussing Coda's birthday's in June, Allie's birthday's in August. And I told her, instead of having 2 separate birthday parties this year, oh, look at the little bunny, to pick a date in the middle of July and have one big birthday grill out and get a bouncy house and have their birthday party that way, and they each invite so many friends, and then it's all outside. And her and Sam are like, oh yeah, so that's what we're doing this year. So some of these I may use for little goodie bags for the party. So thank you, Donna. And look at this. Oh my god, look at that. That is gorgeous. Forever Love. Look at this. It's like a teal color or like a brown. And then this pink. Oh my god. And then this one. And then the green. And it's in this little pretty little I don't know what you call it. Holder. Okay. That's so cute. It makes me not want to use it because it looks so pretty in there. That looked just pretty on a shelf. You know? Just sitting on a shelf. If you had like a vintage looking shelf going on, that'd look pretty just sitting on the shelf like that. Wouldn't it? Or is it just me? Forever Love. She's got bling here. And this tassel trim. That is so pretty, Donna. And I bought, I'm on the Kid Gig. And it was the mint color kit. I like mint. I love the color mint too. I mean, my favorite colors are black and hot pink and black together and red, you know. But I say my runner-up is this pretty mint color. I always put Diamond in mint when she was a baby. But you got that. Then you got little, oh, they're butterflies. Oh, I thought they were flowers. Butterflies. Then you got some leaves. Then you got And her and Jelly Bean have a sale every 2 weeks. And I will link Donna's channel in the description box. Maybe check Jelly Bean. I didn't get my invoice yet. And got something like this. So pretty. And then we got this one. So them are cool. Awesome, awesome, awesome. She's got the cone of shame, as Vance got her calling it. And she keeps trying to get it off. But it feels so bad. She's gonna leave it on 5 to 10 days, and she's in day 3. Not having happy. And then she got some lace. And this pretty lace. And then this lace. But look at these. Isn't that cool? I can't wait to come up with something like this. I bought this because I'm making an album. I can't finish it because I'm out of ink. I'm waiting for my ink to come in. And I got it started. Worked on it this weekend off and on, walking with a cat. I swear. And I got this little one. And look at this applique. That applique and a doily. And some of that. That's so cool. That was awesome. Awesome, awesome. And then, that was one kit I bought. Put that back in the bag for now. Well, it's not in there pretty, but it's back in there. I'll fix that and make it look prettier next time. And then after the video. And then we have this kit. I thought it was cool. The kits weren't that expensive, so in this kit, you got a couple bows. I don't know if she made these, but if she made these, she did damn good, because I can't make a bow for less than me. But look at this trim, or look at this. Isn't that cool? It's hearts. See? Isn't that cool? Oh, that's so cool. And here's a brown, or like a brown tone. Same thing. I don't know where she found these, but that's just awesome. Okay. And then there's the pink. It's very dainty. I don't want to get it all hung up on each other. There we go. And then we have pink. That's so cool. So you got that. And then you got, we'll do the bag in a minute. We got, like, it feels like leather. Snake. Got that, and then the glitter, and then a red, and a red, and a shiny purple, and shiny pink, purple glitter, pink glitter, and then the snake is, ooh, this is sturdy. And then we got this, look at that, vellum, so cool. And we got gold or copper, or no, that looks more like copper, this is more like gold. And silver, or is this gold? Okay, yeah, see what I mean. We got some book pages. And some music paper. And then some bigger pieces. There we go. That's a cool kit too. Oh, we got this. And then this little bundle of goodness. So we got a couple bells, a safety pin, a paper clip, and some shape paper clips, a couple clothespins, and a cookie. That's cool. That's cool. So cool. Definitely check out Donna Dream ×3 channel, guys, and her sales. And she's got, especially her, okay, her stuff's awesome, as you can tell. You know, her kits are cool. Put this all back together. Her seam binding ribbon, as I call it. They probably call it something, but I call it seam binding ribbon. It's phenomenal. BMO was right on that. I took a chance on it, and I loved it. I put some in my giveaway. Ooh, but just let out a little secret. Oh, I forgot the bows. There should be 3. Did I grab the first one? No, I'll come across. I'll put it back in there when I do. So, please check out Donna's channel. Like I said, I will have it in the description box below. Her seam binding is phenomenal. Oh, look at those. Love it. When I saw she had red, white, and blue, I have a future pocket letter coming up, and I was like, ooh, I need that one. Thank you so much, Donna. And Donna has a entry to my 2K giveaway challenge, and she sent extra little cards, so I'm going to leave that, and I will show them with her entry. So, please go check out Donna's channel. Like I said, her and Jelly Bean have a sale. I think it's every 2 weeks. Look how she decorated the top of that little bag. I'm going to keep that, of course. I like that ribbon. So, I will have Donna Dream ×3's channel linked in the description box below. So, go check out her and Jelly Bean's sale. Finding some good bargains. Trying to get this all nicely in here so when I put it away for now, because I gotta finish the first one I'm working on before I start a new one. So we're gonna leave this all in the plastic till I go to use it in a future project. There we go. And you might see I might be incorporate both together. You never know. But this is so this is so cool, Donna. Thank you. Like I said, didn't that look cute just sitting on a vintage shelf? Just like that. It would look awesome. So, thank you, Donna. I will talk to you later. As always, go out, like I said, go check out Donna Dream ×3. I will have her channel linked in the description box below. Her and Jelly Bean have a sale every 2 weeks or so, or they just pop up and have one. And I will have all her information, as well as Jelly Beans, in the description box below. So, take care, guys. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.